In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the typography controls and how to apply a bold weight cleanly and consistently. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Once it loads, navigate to the file or page where you want to work. With your page open, make sure the text you want to bold is already on the canvas and ready. Next, highlight the text you want to embolden. You can double-click into the text layer, then drag to select a specific word or sentence, or press Command or Control-A to select all the text in that layer. When your text is selected, look over to the right-hand panel. Under the Design tab, find the Typography section. You'll see controls for font family, style or weight, size, line height, and more. Click on the font area to reveal the font family and, just to the right of it, the style or weight menu. This is where you'll find options like regular, medium, semi-bold, and bold, depending on the typeface you're using. Choose bold to apply a heavier weight to the highlighted text. You should see the change immediately on the canvas. If bold doesn't appear in the list, the selected font may not include a bold weight. In that case, pick the closest heavier weight available, such as semi-bold, or switch to a similar font family that offers a bold style. The goal is to keep your design readable and consistent, so select a weight that provides emphasis without overwhelming the rest of your typography. A quick note about partial selections. If you highlighted only a few words, only those words will change. If you had the whole text layer selected, the entire line or paragraph will be updated. If nothing changes, double-check that the text is still selected and that you're in the typography section of the right-hand panel. Finally, review your layout. Make sure headings and key points stand out, spacing still looks balanced, and color contrast remains strong. And bold works best as a tool for hierarchy, so use it intentionally to guide the eye. That's it. You opened Figma, opened your page, highlighted your text, and, under typography on the right, chose the bold setting. And you're ready to keep designing with clear, confident emphasis. Practice this on a few headings and body paragraphs to see how weight changes affect readability and visual rhythm.